Garmin has introduced the new LiveScope 2 with improved clarity, wider sonar coverage, and a simpler setup, but the question is, can it beat the powerful LiveScope XR? The Garmin LiveScope 2 starts at $1,999.99, while the LiveScope XR system costs more because it is built for anglers who need maximum range and deep water performance. The XR system includes the GLS-10 sonar module and LVS-62 transducer, making it Garmin's long-range live sonar solution. In this comparison, we'll look at the design, image quality, range, features, and performance to find out which Garmin live sonar system is the better choice for your fishing style, design, and installation. The new LiveScope 2 makes installation much easier because the LVS-44 transducer connects directly to compatible Garmin displays. Garmin removed the need for the external GLS-10 black box, which means fewer cables, less equipment, lower power usage, and a cleaner setup on your boat. The LiveScope XR still uses the GLS-10 sonar module together with the larger LVS-62 transducer. While installation requires more components, this setup provides the extra power needed for its extended range sonar performance, image quality. The new LiveScope 2 delivers Garmin's improved live sonar experience with higher resolution, better noise reduction, improved target separation, and wider sonar coverage. Fish, bait, and underwater structures appear clearer and easier to track in real time. The LiveScope XR also produces excellent image quality, but its biggest advantage is maintaining clear sonar images at much longer distances. It is designed for anglers who need to search large areas of water and locate fish farther away from the boat. Range, performance. The standard LiveScope 2 is designed for everyday fishing situations and offers scanning distances up to 250 feet, which is more than enough for most freshwater anglers. The LiveScope XR is built for extended range fishing. It can scan up to 500 feet in freshwater and 350 feet in saltwater, making it ideal for deep lakes, offshore fishing, and large bodies of water where covering more distance is important. Coverage and tracking. The new LiveScope 2 improves coverage with wider sonar angles and smoother tracking, helping anglers see more area while keeping targets easier to follow on the display. LiveScope XR focuses more on long-distance performance, giving anglers a better view when searching large areas of open water and deeper environments. Final verdict. Garmin created these two systems for different types of anglers. The LiveScope 2 is the newest and more balanced option. It offers improved image quality, wider coverage, easier installation, and excellent range for most freshwater fishing situations. The LiveScope XR remains the specialist choice for anglers who need maximum distance. With its 500-foot freshwater range and powerful LVS-62 transducer, it is better suited for deep water, offshore fishing, and large lakes. If you want the latest technology, cleaner installation, and a system that fits most fishing styles, LiveScope 2 is the better choice. But if your goal is finding fish hundreds of feet away and scanning massive areas of water, LiveScope XR is still Garmin's ultimate long-range live sonar system. If you enjoyed this Garmin LiveScope 2 versus LiveScope XR comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe in Smart Tech Radar, and turn on notifications.